Hey everyone, and welcome back. We are going to be talking about sitemaps today. Before we begin this tutorial though, I want to show you what exactly we are going to learn within Figma and what we're going to build. So we're going to learn a bunch of different things. We're going to learn how to build these types of assets for our sitemap that are going to be reusable for you in the future and today. And we're going to make non-component versions, and we're going to learn how to use components. And that's going to be super fun. Trust me, it's going to make your workflow and your life just so much more easier. Then we're actually going to build our own sitemap as well. So you're going to need a couple of things before we can actually start building. You're going to need, obviously, you're going to need Figma, but you're going to need the Autoflow plugin. So if I go into my plugins just by right-clicking, this is what Autoflow looks like. And if I were to make a rectangle, it basically allows you to connect one layer to the next, kind of like how we're seeing here. We're going to be using that a lot. So if you haven't used this plugin yet, definitely get it before we start. Okay, let's get started.